Now that we've taken a closer look at action verbs and linking verbs and discussed the differences, as well as talked a little bit about a predicate noun, let's go ahead and take all these pieces and put them together in order to classify a pattern for sentence. Now, ladies and gentlemen, remember, this is the first time that we classify a pattern for sentence, so it's important that we always begin by reading our sentence so we understand what our sentence is talking about. So follow along as I walk you through the steps of classifying a pattern for sentence and as I walk you through the question-answer flow for a pattern for sentence. Remember, pattern for sentences do not show action. There are no action verbs found within these types of sentences. So let's begin by reading our sentence. Dad is a clown. Remember, pattern for sentences have 3 core parts. We are looking for our subject, we are looking for a linking verb, and we are also looking for a predicate noun. So let's begin with our question-answer flow. Who is a clown? Dad. Subject noun. What is being said about Dad? Dad is. Is a linking verb because it shows no action. Dad is who? Clown. Does clown mean the same thing as dad? Yes, because it's telling us what our subject is. So, clown is a predicate noun. We've got all 3 core parts classified. Now we go back and classify the rest of the parts of speech. All we have left is the word a, and everybody knows that this is an article adjective. At the beginning of my sentence, remember we have a brand new pattern label, so we'll get to that in just a second. Where can I separate my subject from my predicate? Between dad and is. What kind of sentence is this? This is a declarative sentence because it's giving us information. Now going back to the beginning, now I can write my pattern label. At the top of the line, now I write subject noun, linking verb, and then underneath I write predicate noun, pattern for. I notice that there are no prepositional phrases, so I am good to go. Let's take a look at another sentence with a little bit more words to it. This sentence, here we have, my dad is a happy clown in a large circus. We're going to follow the same steps that we did for our first sentence, but now we just have a couple of extra words added. Who is a happy clown in a large circus? Dad. Subject noun. What is being said about dad? Dad is. No action is being shown, but we have a verb. It is a linking verb. Dad is who? Clown. Does clown mean the same thing as dad? Yes, because it is explaining and telling us who dad is. So clown is our predicate noun. We've got all of our core parts. Now we just need to classify the rest of the parts of speech. In, preposition. In what? Circus, object of the preposition. What kind of circus? Large. Adjective. We have the article adjective a. Prepositional phrases need to go in parentheses. What kind of clown? Happy. Adjective. Again, we encounter the article adjective a. Whose dad? My dad. And this is a possessive pronoun adjective. Now, where can we separate the subject from the predicate? Between dad and is? What kind of sentence is this one? It is a declarative sentence. They are still giving us information. And then at the beginning of our sentence, we add our label. Subject noun, linking verb, predicate noun, pattern for. Now it's your turn to try. Follow along using the question answer flow that I just walked you through and try classifying sentence number 3 on your own. We'll go over the answer together as a class.